everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be cleaning the cabinets in my kitchen. So let's get started. Now this is the second time I'm using this furniture polish to wipe down the outside of my cabinets. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that today. Let's get started, guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation. And this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now remember to use the hashtag deepclean24. It is an open invitation for everyone to jump in and join us as we clean our homes. So with that being said, I'm going to leave it as an open playlist, and once a week on Wednesday at 7 p.m. I will update the playlist. The hashtag just helps me find your video faster, or send me a message. Now with these cabinets here, they're relatively new, but you do want to stay on top of the cabinets because of the stove and the cooking and the air frying and all these other things that can build up on your cabinets. So I have to do this at least once a week. And so this works perfect for me with this collaboration. Now I'm doing the outside of the cabinets in this video, but I'm going to do the inside of the cabinets. That's a little bit harder because you got to move all the stuff from inside the cabinets around. But I'll leave that for the next video. Now subscribing to the channel is totally free, and clicking the like button and full watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. Commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now, if you are in the collaboration, or even if you're not, take the thumbnail and post it to your community tab in case there are other people that you know that might want to join. if you haven't been over to Deborah Kabasa Home Living's channel, you need to go over there. That is a lifestyle channel along with mine, and we do a lot of home life. We do some declutter, we do a lot of deep cleaning, motivation, organizing. So you definitely want to go over there. We do some home decor and absolutely lots of tablescapes, and so there's such a variety of things that we can do at home, and we would love for you to join us. So you won't be disappointed. Head on over there, tell her I sent you, and yep, click that like button. Leave her a comment. Now here we are at the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.